we're now in a growth cycle, which means we should concentrate less on the actual physical commodities and more on companies that can use blockchain, whether they are digital miners or, they're companies that are like, in the digital property space, NFTs and all that kind of nonsense. That's where the growth is going to be. It's going to be in companies that can increase earnings based on using blockchain. I gotta say, this Lucid, I might actually be interested in buying some of this if it actually can double you out here. That's sort of Sjord's comment there about that company director. Secret options club meetings. Zach actually got his fill on his bull call spread when we were down against these lows here. And you can see the market's actually rallied smartly back for him. And he said that the spread is just like within like a nickel of him actually getting his double off. So way to go, Zach, fucking boss trader. And of course, the level 4 instructor. And I would strongly suggest you all add that to your education learning here over the near term. You can make a lot of money with these spreads. So nice job there, Zach. We also found, and it was interesting, we did some research into Mara. And keep in mind, look how far I mean, geez, this is what I want you to learn how to do here at TRI. But we actually did a spread trade research project on Mara. And with price where it is right now, we're starting to actually get some really attractive, secret options formula numbers here. So, and really, I guess it's just a question of, is this some sort of inverted head and shoulders? If it is, then believe it or not, this thing can come all the way down into here. 78.6 is Mountain Man, reload zone. I like this dotted line level. But if we do get pushed down into here, Zach and I actually found a really cool spread trade. It was like basically like buying the 25s and writing the 40s. And it was something like, I don't know, I think about a 10 to 1, 15 to 1 risk reward if the market actually does go up into that level. And the cool part about it is that this really isn't too outlandish. All this spread trade is just looking for a move back to the 38.2. And the irony of it all is, according to all of our research over time and stuff, we should expect 38.2 tags at any given moment. Does this take the next 6 months, year or so to develop? Absolutely. And this option that we were looking at specifically was like a 2025 leap. So very, very, very long duration. And it was like the December 2025 call, which is even better because that's when we're expecting our crypto market to top out, is into the end of 2025, the beginning of 2026. Guys like Francis, I don't know whether you're watching this, Francis. This is like right down your alley because this is a really, really long dated trade. And what I like about this trade is this is a trade that we should be able to tout to the crypto community. It is a crypto stock. Everybody knows the fundamental story in crypto heading into the coming cycle peak. Does Bitcoin go into the hundreds of thousands? There is talk in the lounge this morning that no, that's never going to happen. And this is the reason why. I mean, I don't know. What I will say, and this has been my feeling ever since, is that we're now in a growth cycle, which means we should concentrate less on the actual physical commodities and more on companies that can use, and in this case, blockchain, that can use blockchain, whether they are digital miners and they're just making money from mining Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies, or, they're companies that are like, in the digital property space, NFTs and all that kind of nonsense, or they're in the DeFi space, right? And actually, Kathy Woods, one of her minions, says that he would really prefer that we stop calling it DeFi and we start calling it like 21st century internet financing or something like that. I can't remember what the term is. But the point is that that's where the growth is going to be. It's going to be in companies that can increase earnings based on using blockchain. So I really like that thinking.